We're now going to look at the push-pull tool. Very useful tool. Drawing a rectangle and push-pulling is my preferred way to work. It's the fastest way I can think of. So I'm going to start off by drawing a rectangle. Select the rectangle tool, in this case down to the origin, yellow dot, let's snap and drag out. This is my workshop, so I'm going to type in the figures I want for the floor plan, which is 4.5 meters, 6 meters, 6,000. Hit enter. There is the floor of my workshop. Now, if I wanted to draw some walls, I could draw some more rectangles by snapping to the end and drawing rectangles up, and do another one and another one and put the roof on. But there's a quicker way. I'm going to use, in the toolbar, there's a tool called push-pull. Just click and let go on the push-pull tool, and we'll come down onto our model. When I'm over a surface that I want to pull, it goes dotty, so I know that's a surface I'm about to affect. Just click and let go as normal, then you can pull up, you can push down. All you need to do is move some degree in the direction you want, up or down. Doesn't matter how far, just move in the direction you want, and then type in the figure that you really want. 2200, 2.2 meters, hit enter. There's my workshop. 4.5 by 6, 2.2 meters, up to the eaves. And you'll see now, I've got multiple surfaces. I could do the same again, just push, pull them out. But to understand how it works, if I move round, we'll understand a bit about how surfaces work. I'm going to get my line tool. I'm going to snap to the middle of this line, the blue dot, down on the blue axis, snap to the middle of that line. Okay, I've now got two surfaces. So if I go back to push-pull, this surface and this surface are now separate surfaces. That line has broken them up. So click and drag, I can push, I can pull, just come out any amount in the direction you want, type the figure that you really want, 1200, hit enter. So I've pulled just that back bit out, 1200. I can pull and push any surface I like. By drawing lines, I can break the surfaces up. Okay, good idea to go back to the select tool when you're moving around. It's very easy to pull a surface by accident. If you're in the select tool, you're safe. Okay, push pull, very useful.